Hi, this is Scott Stork. I'm an estate planning attorney here in St. Charles, Missouri with Polaris Estate Planning and Elder Law. Today I'm going to talk to you about not kind of the legal parts of estate planning, but more the emotional parts of estate planning. What I want to talk to you about is what a lot of people tell me that they're feeling. So the question is how do you want your family to remember you? Do you want them to remember you as somebody who planned in advance and did everything you could to protect them and make sure that that they had all the tools necessary, whether that is if you become disabled or whether that's when you pass away? And what I mean by that is, do you want them to have to try to figure it out on their own without any planning or instructions, or do you want to know that you've left all of the things necessary to make it easier for them? Because the worst time for a family to try to figure out what to do is when they're grieving. And that's whether they're grieving because a family member has become disabled mentally, or it's they're grieving because their family member has passed away. And so when we talk about how we want our family to remember us, it's not about as much the money you leave or the property you leave, although people want to leave what we call a legacy to their family. It's what do you want to make sure you've done in advance to make it easier on your loved ones, whether that is your surviving spouse, whether that is your children, whether that's your grandchildren. How do you want them to remember you? Because if you don't do any planning and things go awry, then you're just that person who left them with a whole mess to clean up. But if you're the person, like most of our clients, all of our clients, who've done planning in advance and made sure that they've really thought through how they want to, who they want to put in place, and make sure that their family doesn't have to go to court, and make sure that their family has instructions for what happens if they're disabled, and make sure that they've left instructions for how they want their property and their assets to be distributed to their kids, and what type of potential protections they want to leave, so that inheritance that they leave to their loved ones can't be taken from their loved ones. Those are the kind of conversations that you need to think about and have now. And those are the kinds of conversations and those are the kinds of plans to put in place that are going to make your family remember you fondly. If you leave a family that has to go to probate because you left a mess, you're going to be remembered as the family member who left the mess. So why I tell you that now is don't be that. You have to do the planning now. Make sure your family remembers you fondly. Make sure you've done everything, no matter the fact that it's going to take some work, to get those things in place now. So my name is Scott Stork. I'm an estate planning attorney with Polaris Estate Planning and Elder Law. We're here in St. Charles, Missouri. We'd love to sit down and talk to you and help you out with your matter. Our phone number here is 636-757-3850. You can also go to our website at polarisplans.com. So give us a call. We'd love to sit down and help you. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.